Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to show you how to add the control shortcut to quick settings. First of all, go to the quick settings. Then tap on the pencil icon. Then here you can see the option to edit. Tap on this one. Then here you can see lots of the shortcuts you can see here. First of all, select the shortcut that you want to add to your quick settings. So here I am going to select the shortcut text screenshot. Then press and hold, drag to your quick settings. After this one, tap on done. Tap on done. If you swipe, here you can see that control is here. Take screenshot. Okay, then simply in this way we can add control shortcut to quick settings. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.